Stop wasting money on premium indicators. I bet you've observed the surge in premium indicators on TradingView lately. What if I told you that over 90% of them are complete scams?
What?
Watch the video carefully, and I'll guide you through the essential steps to verify whether any premium indicator is a scam or not. You will be surprised, but over 90% of the premium indicators are just a mix of free indicators available on TradingView, and I am going to prove this right now. Furthermore, we will compare all the points discussed today with those of our indicator QuantAlgo, providing you with an understanding of what a truly profitable indicator should resemble. Therefore, the initial aspect you should focus on is the settings menu. Screenshots of the settings can be located either on the website or in the YouTube video showcasing the indicator. Here, we observe screenshots of the settings for some popular indicators, and a common feature stands out. They all share the same parameter known as sensitivity. Additionally, be mindful of the second parameter, which goes by different names in these indicators. By the way, we won't be revealing the names of the indicators because they can quickly change their identity once exposed. Instead, concentrate on the fundamental concepts presented in the video. Are you aware of any free indicator with two parameters influencing signal frequency, one of which is sensitivity?
I'm here to tell you right now.
So, go to the Indicators tab, type bot alerts, and choose this one. Now, open the settings, and voila, we have a sensitivity parameter, along with an ATR period that also affects the signal frequency. Therefore, we can reasonably infer that these premium indicators were constructed upon the foundation of the bot free indicator, incorporating additional features, the majority of which were also stolen from free scripts available on TradingView. Once more, if you encounter the term sensitivity along with a second parameter, though its presence is less crucial since the value may be fixed in the code and cannot be disabled in the settings, you can confidently deduce that it is a fraudulent and scammy indicator. So, steer clear of such indicators to safeguard your money. When it comes to QuantAlgo, our indicator features three primary parameters governing signal frequency, and, notably, it lacks a sensitivity parameter. Now, we can proceed to the most intriguing section, demonstrating how to identify a complete fraud. So, let's take a closer look at additional features that offer those frauds with their indicators. Let's commence with a risk management tool. So, here we have three instances of individuals claiming that their indicator includes exclusive risk management tools, signifying these tools include take profit and stop loss levels. And you know what? We have the exact same free script called Trade and Risk Management Tool created by Zierman, where in the settings, we can customize the number of take profits and also adjust the size of the stop loss. Also, here we have features like support and resistance, multi-time frame support and resistance, supply and demand zones, and so on. So, here are the top free alternatives that we identified, and crucially, ones from which they likely appropriated either the entire script or some parts of it. While the visuals may vary slightly, they can be easily adjusted within a single script. Moreover, we can observe that these individuals are promoting an exclusive feature called Trendline with Breaks. However, by simply entering Trendline with Breaks in the Indicators tab, we can instantly find three free alternatives. Thus, we don't quite comprehend the rationale behind such an action. In addition, we observe that this individual presents a volume profile as an exclusive feature in its paid indicator. This is one of the most nonsensical things I've ever encountered. Now, we can see a free indicator from which the source code was probably stolen. Lastly, take a look at this genius claiming to provide an exclusive breakout probability feature. By entering breakout probability in the Indicators tab, we can identify the original indicator that he has appropriated. Hence, we can repeat this process as many times as you wish. If you desire more exposure of these indicator gurus and their premium features, please inform us in the comments. In this topic, we will consider the next trick that these indicator gurus use to confuse you in terms of the performance of their indicators. As evident from the provided screenshots, they typically showcase only a limited number of images depicting the indicator's performance on their purchase pages. These images often display just a few signals, all of which are presented as 100% profitable. Nevertheless, upon scrutinizing their videos, we can identify a considerable number of fake signals. Regarding actual trading, the prevalence of fake signals can be even higher, as they undoubtedly select a portion of the chart with the best performance to feature in the video. Another fraud trick is to show examples using a Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart. The Heikin-Ashi chart smooths the price, thereby eliminating numerous false signals that may occur when using regular Japanese candles. For example, Here we observe a UT bot alert indicator on a standard chart with Japanese candles, and a multitude of false signals is evident. Now, let's apply a Heikin Ashi candlestick chart, and boom, the majority of those fake signals disappear. In summary, scammers display only a restricted number of charts with a few signals to give the impression that their indicators are effective while avoiding the presentation of a substantial number of screenshots showcasing the indicator's performance. Additionally, they may employ a Heikin Ashi chart to further confuse you, as it hides many false signals. When it comes to QuantAlgo, an insane amount of screenshots showcasing QuantAlgo's performance are accessible to everyone, primarily on a regular chart. More importantly, everyone can join our Telegram, where we post weekly setups and provide daily updates with a QuantAlgo indicator on the chart, allowing users to witness its performance on a daily basis. With that, we logically move to the next topic. The next topic is the backtest, and this is our favorite topic as it reveals how stupid these gurus are. Another fraudulent tactic is claiming high win rates without providing any supporting evidence. We can observe that this individual claims an accuracy of over 80%, yet, of course, fails to provide any screenshots from the strategy tester. This is another indicator from this guru, and now it asserts an 80% win rate. Additionally, it mentions the strategy tester but once again fails to provide any screenshots of it. And there's more. The FAQ page states that no strategies can guarantee a specific win rate, and again mentions backtests without providing any references to them. Continuing, we encounter another individual asserting a win rate of 92%, yet offering no supporting evidence. Clearly, a complete fraud. And here's our favorite example. The next guy claims over 90% accuracy. But here we can see a reference to the backtest results. So, upon examining the backtest results, the highest win rate found is 59%, which is amusing given that we have released numerous free strategies with much higher win rates. We have one more indicator guru, and this time they mention that they do not provide backtesting data. And guess why? Because the indicator doesn't work at all. At this point, let's view how the real performance should be proved on a QuantAlgo example. Primarily, screenshots of the TradingView strategy tester should be provided for different pairs and time frames, as well as various settings setups. Note that screenshots from external strategy testers, such as Trader Edge, are unsuitable as there is no way to confirm their validity. Ultimately, you should be presented with a strategy tester on TradingView, allowing you to independently verify the results. Only when you observe all the aforementioned points can you confidently conclude that you're buying something that truly works. The next important topic is the combination of indicators with price action. We always say that the indicators should be combined with price action to achieve the highest performance. For this reason, we have developed several features that no one in the industry has implemented before. One of QuantAlgo's groundbreaking features is the exception list, a result of extensive empirical backtesting to overcome quantitative traps. This list identifies setups to avoid or confirm, enhancing the algorithm's effectiveness. The last point that we want to cover is fake reviews. Here are instances of fabricated reviews embedded on their site without any attribution to the original feedback. Our favorite example illustrates that these comments were supposedly posted on Trustpilot, which is evidently false since upon visiting the Trustpilot page for this indicator, we encountered the following feedback. For instance, here's feedback from QuantAlgo users, and as you can see, these were submitted through email, Telegram, and other channels. That's all for today. Share your thoughts in the comments on where we should upload more videos on this topic.